Hi everyone, today I have a quick project for my design team project. This is a Halloween card and we're going to make it a fun shaker. I have already painted this fun chipboard embellishment. I will have all of the information linked down below in this description box. And I am using a Frank Garcia paper collection, and I have cut the paper 8 inches by, I want to say 6 inches. I'll have that measurement also for you. And so it's going to be a really quick card. So I've got my flowers ready, a sentiment ready, and let's get crafty. And here we have it, my quick card. I hope you enjoyed this quick process tutorial video. And all we have to do now is mat a white piece of cardstock or with a pretty pen, the sentiment, or who you are gifting it to. Alright, don't forget to check out Clear Scraps, and I will link how you can find this down below. And I will see you in the next video. Be safe, be kind. Bye for now. This is Denise of Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and this is my new treasure.